What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got this beautiful ELETRE 600 GT SE, as you can see right here. The showroom is superb with the color of the black wall. Then you got this black car and then got this light dropping down like that. Shows the shape of the car really well guys. Check out how amazing this car looks. If this car was in a matte PPF, it will look even more stunning guys. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys from the front first. Your amazing DRLs, as you can see. Got some opening right here for air to flow through. Your main headlight is right here. You got some opening right here where you can see from the bottom right here. So air flows from this side as well, from the front part of the car. Now the bottom piece right here is in this gloss black finish. You got some airflow happening in the center right here for air to go through. Number plate goes right there. 360 camera up here. Now you also get your badging right here, amazing, in this black and yellow. Now there are some cars you can actually have that in silver or black, but depending on the spec. Since the car is black, this whole piece also is black, which looks good. Now let's move on to the side. Since this is black right here, it continues all the way up right here. Unlike the Emiya, it only stops at the front. Now, because this is a black car, everything looks really nice. It blends in really well. Now LiDAR, it was here, now it's no longer here, because this car does not come with the LiDAR option. Drill disc brakes, 6-part caliper, black, and also you get your beautiful 22-inch wheels. Now this is a 10-spoke wheel, which is absolutely stunning. Tire size 275/40 R22. Diamond cut wheels, and these are basically grey on the inside, silver on the outside. Looks absolutely aggressive and nice. Charging socket is right here. You also get your camera located on this side, camera over here, and camera over here. So AC DC. Let's close that back. Underneath right here, this whole piece is black if you change the color of the car, but since this is a black car, so everything looks good. Mirror right here, you have an option sometimes for this to make it into a camera, but in this case, this particular car is mirror. So soft close doors not available for this car since this is a GT SE, and the whole railing is in black as well. Looks good. Let's open this up and take a look at the interior. Now this once again is the fabric sort of like interior lining. You got to be here to feel and see it in person. CAF audio sound system up here, down here, manual door handles to open up, compartment storage down here. This is in a black finish, electronic button to open up the doors. You got the ELETRE wording right here for the side plate, very nice. The whole dashboard similar towards the seat as well as the door. And once again, the padding on this very nice and soft. You got some fabric finishing over here, ACBC logo right there. You got your cup holders, different sizing. You got a big one, small one, black finishing on the center here also as well. The screen, of course, you don't like it bright, you can change it into black. Wireless charging right here, air vent right there, air vent right here. You can change that display, turn it off if you wish to. All you have to do is just tap sleep and then it just goes off. But because this is a brand new car, so the sticker is right there. And let's move on to the side right here. One thing that is also nice is that they have this pioneer since 1948, so this is the year Lotus has been founded. Very cool. Now this car also comes with intelligent glass roof at the top. It does not have any massage seats for the front, but it is a 5-seater, so it's very spacious and nice. For ELETRE wording right here, the side plate. Door very clean and similar color for the interior and the design as well. CAF audio sound system up there, down here. Opening up of the door handles right here. Electronic button on this side. This is control the both windows from left and the right. Frameless windows, double glaze. Looks good. You got your storage place right here, screen right there, air vent right there, and it looks really good, man, dude. I like it. The feel of it is nice. Seatbelt color, very sleek and classy. Now let's jump to the rear wheels. Take a look at the Pirelli tires once again. Drill disc brakes for the back. You got your black calipers right here, yellow badging right there, Pirelli tires. And 315/35 R22. Amazing rear wheel. So of course you get this black wheel arch, continues all the way at the back. But because this is a black car, as I mentioned, it's hard for you to tell the difference. Only when you take another color you can see the difference in color. So this right here has some airflow happening on the inside part right here. Hard for you to tell, but yep, that's where it's located all the way inside. So you got your winglet design. Beautiful look and appearance. You got your LiDAR located up here, but of course it's not functional at all. You got your cameras for the back, which is also not functional. You got your 360 camera that's functional right here. So that's what's nice. Lotus wording in this bright chrome finish. Got the ELETRE 600 wording right here. Some opening on the left and the right for air to flow through from the rear wheel. Your back brake lights are fantastic. This normally has an option to move up and down, but in this case for this car, it stays where it is. And the number plate is located right here. You got your decent looking rear diffuser that is aggressive in a way because of the design. Some lines down here, very, very classy and nice. Your reflectors right there. And yeah, the winglet looks really cool. Let's open up the boot and check out the space. So once again, you do have a lot of space for the rear. The seats are foldable as well. And height of the suspension, you can lower it down for the back. So open this up, check out, you got your warning triangle, tire repair kit, and this right here should be your 12 volt socket for you to charge some stuff. Let's check out the rear seats by folding it down. Take a look at that. Amazing space. You guys can store a lot of other stuff. And for this side right here, so do the same. Push it back down. Take a look. Fantastic. Beautiful layout. Before that, just want to show you the cup holders that this car actually also has. Is right here. Let me just move to the other side once again. Pull this up, close this back, push this down. Check that out, cup holders right here, and you got other storage places on this side as well. So looks good. Push that back, and let's take a look at this side, the driver's seat. This is where you tap your key card, similar towards the other Lotus cars if they're using the EV. Tap at the side right here to open, unlock your car. Seat adjustments on this side, no massaging seats on this side. You got your sporty looking door once again, black finishing, electronic buttons to control the door opening, child lock, window adjustments, side mirror adjustments. Down here is the manual handle to open up the door. You got your boot opening, CAF audio sound system, chrome finishes at the side. So these are the sport pedals, ELETRE wording right here. Seat adjustments, electronically adjustable. Seats are fantastic. Flat bottom steering. Driving modes, regen braking for you to control. And ambient lighting is available for this car as well. Beautiful finish for the interior. Very clean, very, very sleek, and very, very spacious, man. Love the interior. Now, let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys. Now, side, you get this. And for the front, this whole DRL just goes off and it just maintains into the signal light, as you can see. Looks really good, very nice. Now let's take a look at the back. Let's fold down the rear and take a look at the back. You have your turn indicators on the left and the right. Very clean light design, brake lights in the center, and the side right here also as well. So look really, really cool. So let's turn that off and turn on the main lights to show you guys where the main lights hiding. They're actually located down here. Very nice. Left and the right. So looks really, really cool indeed. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Fantastic looking car, guys. Very sporty, very nice indeed. So once again, beautiful. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus Cars, do head down to their showroom here in Pavilion Damansara. You can locate this car, that car, and many more other cars that these guys have. You can check out the description below, get in touch with Ganesha. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.